escrow balance? Explain natin sa consumer
The escrow balance is basically when you're impounded. When remember,
Ano ba sabihin ng impound? We need to be like,
Yes.
we're talking to someone na they don't know those, lingo.
Yeah. So impounded, ang ibig sabihin or what it means is that pag nagbabayad kayo or when you're paying your mortgage, your taxes, your property taxes, and your property insurance are all included.
Okay, so what lump sum yun?
Yeah, wala. So what happens here, guys, in your loan servicer, what they do when they receive your mortgage payment, what they do is they separate your property insurance and your property taxes in one bucket.
Okay,
It's
tapos,
called escrow balance.
Okay.
Okay. So that bucket, that escrow balance, every year when your property taxes is due,
bill.
and your insurance is due, they'll get that money and disburse that
Oo,
to them, babayaran
babayaran.
nila. So that's called escrow balance or impounded.
Okay.
Right? So,
Paano naman kung hindi impounded?
so pag hindi impounded, wala na tayong pinag-uusapang escrow balance.
O yung mismong borrower na ang
Ang
nagbabayad
magbabayad.
diretso sa home
Yeah.
insurance company
Correct.
o kaya sa
Yeah.
property tax
Correct.
collector.
And most of the clients that doesn't have 20% down payment,
Required yan.
na magka-impounds ka o kailangan bayaran mo yung mortgage tax and property tax mo at property insurance mo
Correct.
with your mortgage payment.
Gotcha.
Now, remember as well that as soon as you gain that 20% equity
Okay.
on the property, you're now eligible to pay your property tax and your property insurance separately.